first of all, what is an equation? Equation is something like this. Alright, so what is a linear equation? A linear equation is where you remove one of the numbers for a pronumeral. Now, usually in these sort of linear equations, people want to know how to find out the pronumeral, which in this case is x. Now, to find that out, we're going to use something called the balancing method. This is where you take away the number that isn't a pronumeral, like in this case 5, take it away from this side, and you have to add it onto this side to keep it balanced. So, to do that, we minus 5 from both sides, because this is a positive 5. Now that makes x equals 3. That's how you find out that sort of equation, which is a linear equation. Now, let's move on to more advanced things, such as if there is two numbers, such like this. Alright, so do that. Stop. Hi, again. So now we're looking at more advanced equations, such as this one. Now, first you think, which one do I do first? The 3 is in the bracket, so I can't do that first. But the 2, at first look, it doesn't seem right. But a rule that works on any type of these equations would be to do the one furthest from the x. So if you plan it out, x plus 3, and then that will times 2. Okay? That's what will happen. So you work from the number furthest away from the x, which is the times 2. So you divide by 2 from both sides. And then you work as per normal. So, now we shall move. Alright, as you can see here, this is a fraction. So, how would you do a fraction? Well, the fraction is basically a dividing sign just with the numbers 1 on top of each other. So, you have x plus 3 in brackets, divide by 2 equals 4. Now, you do what you did with that, and go from the furthest number away from the x. So it'll end up being x plus 3 equals 8, because you're timesing, remember, opposite operations for all of this. And then, yeah, you get your answer. Now let's move on to where there will be x on both sides. How would you work it out? You're trying to find x, not x plus that equals x. So, the way to work this out is to get x to the opposite side. To remove the x like you would do with a normal number. Now, with this, you have both x in brackets. So, the first thing you should do is expand the brackets, which is basically times this by all the numbers inside the bracket. Like so. So, it will be 4x plus 6 equals 2x plus 26. Now, then you will minus 2x from both sides to remove the 2x from here and keep it balanced. Then you work it out as per normal, like usual. Okay, hello and welcome back to linear equations. Now, we're looking at word equations and how to turn them into linear equations. So, here we have Jimmy bought 5 cakes. It cost him $50. How much was each one? So you write it out as a linear equation. 5x equals 50, which is, so x is how much the cake should cost, and 5 is how many cakes there were. So you would do what you normally do and divide by 5, since that's timesing, which means that x equals 10. That's pretty much it.
The end.
The end.